Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to search for a pupil or group of pupils in Pod. Under the Your Options menu on the left hand side of the screen, go to Pupil and Search. Click this. This will bring up the search screen. There are a number of ways in which to search for a pupil in Pod. Note that the academic year is a mandatory field. So you must indicate which school year you are searching for this pupil in. In this example, I'm looking for a pupil called Samantha. So I'm going to enter the details I know on this pupil here. So Samantha, I know Samantha is female. I'm going to click search. Alternatively, if you knew additional information, you could have filled in her PPSN or her surname. In this school there's only one pupil called Samantha, and it has brought me directly to the information on Samantha. I found the pupil I'm looking for and I can look up the information I needed to know. If you wish to search for a group of pupils, for instance you may wish to know all the pupils that are in a particular teacher or class group, select the class group name. So in this case we're looking for all the pupils in Miss Doyle's class, and click search. This has brought up a list of all the pupils in Miss Doyle's class. If you wish to see more information on one of the individual pupils, so here's Samantha again, you can click on the pupil ID and that will bring you directly to Samantha's record, and again you could look up more information on Samantha.